What's up, y'all? Don't mind me, this is probably a new vlog. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Shayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Don't mind me. Today is Sunday. I think it's like 3. And I tried a new cookie recipe that I'm super pumped about. I just tasted it a little bit. So I made double chocolate chip cookies. They got white chocolate in them. I've already made double chocolate chip cookies, but they're like kind of like, let's say like brownie version. So they're like brown, not light brown, but like chocolate brown. So let me show y'all how they're looking. So this is how they're looking. I got semi-sweet chocolate, a little bit of milk chocolate, and white chocolate. The white stuff is like the white chocolate. So yeah, y'all. When I tasted it, it tastes like brownies, low-key. And this how they came out. Ooh, they look so good, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to try them. Y'all, I am the cookie master. Best to believe. So y'all, I tried these cookies. Y'all, these are the best cookies I ever made. Period. Like 10 out of 10. Real rich and creamy and chocolatey, but not too much. So I'm excited to make this recipe. I had some leftovers, so I ended up just putting them in the freezer. But yeah, y'all, like Subway used to have these cookies and then they discontinued them. But these are better than Subway cookies or any other double chocolate chip cookies I've ever had. So we just gonna call me the GOAT. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I just took like my braids out. So this is how we're looking. I literally like started to unravel them while I was in the car. Like, I don't know, I get bored fast when it comes to driving, so I either gotta listen to music, be on the phone, doing something. So as I was like driving in traffic, I was just like unraveling it from the bottom. And then when I got midway, I started on the next braid because I didn't want to like fully take it out and then people looking at me since I don't got tints and seeing I look nuts. So I just started to unravel each braid and then finished when I got home, and now we're here. I actually think this is like cute style. Like, I really kind of like this wavy look. Now, will I wear it to work? Probably not. I'll probably like wear like a piece and then put the rest in a ponytail like this. Maybe oil my scalp because I'm definitely like flaky. But for now, I'll wear it like this in the house. But anyways, y'all, so if you're a Sephora girl like me, then you know Sephora is having currently their like spring sale, and your girl is a Rouge member, so we got 20% off. You know, I had to tap in the first day, like, because stuff starts to sell out during that sale. So I'm like, I need everything that I want. Everything that I want, I need to buy on the first day. So that's what I did. And today, I bought it last Friday and today's Wednesday. So the shipping was pretty quick because usually, you know, they're getting a lot of orders right now because Sephora never has sales. So I got my shipment pretty fast. But yeah, we about to do a little haul. Let's see. You know, when you wake up, I don't even be trying to make my bed in the morning just because when I get dressed, like, I'm throwing clothes everywhere, trying to figure out something to wear for work. Like, my bed never stays clean. Never stays made, I'll say. So I got a bunch of like, I got something from like kind of every category, like skincare, hair stuff, makeup, everything. So I also had a Sephora gift card, but I forgot about it, and so I didn't get to use it on this order. But I did buy one more thing, which was like a hair product, And y'all, I went to Sephora like an hour or two ago to try to get the product that I ordered, which I'll show you guys once I get it, and it was sold out. So I'm like, I made a trip all the way over to the mall just for this product to be sold out. I should have just bought it online to begin with. But anyways, I wanted it faster because I wasn't trying to have so many packages come in the mail, you know. Anyway, so let's start. I'm so excited. I've been waiting. Some of this stuff I've been waiting for the Sephora sale. I'm like, yeah, we just gonna wait. Hold on, I need to do like a. So most of the stuff I haven't tried. So this was a little. Some of it was a blind buy, but hopefully it was a good buy because I will be taking it back if it doesn't work, especially when it comes to skincare. Anyway, so let's start with hair stuff. So I got this Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask. This is the brand. And you know, with all hair stuff, I gotta smell it because, yeah, I just have to. Oh yeah, my stylist has used this brand on me before, and I think all their products from this brand smell the same, and it smells like some good. It just smells good. It's giving perfume, but I can't wait to use this, and I hope it's thick because this, I think, has to be like $30. Not cheap for like something you get at the, you know, hair store. But hopefully it's like thick so I don't gotta use as much, you know. I think that was the only thing I got for hair stuff. The other thing, like I said, that's on the way is hair stuff too. So okay, so now on to skincare. I got this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This has been one of my favorite moisturizers so far. Like, my skin, you know, usually gets used to most of the skincare I use, and so I end up having to like try something new or come back to it. But this has been doing me right consistently, so I bought me another one. And then I also got from Drunk Elephant, this is the Be Hydrate Instant Hydration Serum. Since summer's coming up, my skin starts to get more drier, so I needed something like a little extra boost. Even though that moisturizer is good, I just need an extra boost because my skin is gonna like not peel, but like have it's just gonna be going through something, and your skin looks a lot healthier when it's moisturized. So make sure to moisturize, ladies. Your face, your body, all of that. It looks a lot more healthier when it's moisturized. I got this called Dolly. This is, bro. Oh, okay. Radiance Serum Complexion Corrector. So I'm using a vitamin C serum right now for my dark spots, because that's really like my ultimate problem when it comes to my skin. Because I'll get like the time of the month is next week, and so I know I'm gonna get like a whitehead. It's gonna turn into a dark mark, and it's literally like these bumps are in rotation. So I always try to have like a serum to like help dark marks, because that's really my only issue. So I'm gonna be trying this. Never tried it out. Hopefully it does me right. Okay, on to makeup. So I got 2 travel size things just because I haven't been wearing makeup lately. When I go to work, like the first week of work, I wore makeup. After that, stopped. No, yeah. Anyways, so anyways, I got 2 things, which I already have a good amount of makeup, but these 2 products, I feel like we'll just talk about it. This is the Patrick, is this Patrick Star? I think this is Patrick Star. Anyway, it is this is the packaging. That's how it looks. This is blush in the color She's Vibrant. Let's see if this is my color, because I just went off of the, how do you open this? I just went off of the, there we go. Ooh, you're seeing, That's how it looks. So I believe, yeah, so this is a powder and this is a cream, which I've never seen this type before. Like I never seen where you got powder and cream. So I thought this was pretty cool. I think this was pretty cheap. It was less than $30. So I'm excited to try that, and it had good reviews too. So I'm excited, and I need a new blush. Blush is my favorite when it comes to makeup. And then I also got the Huda Beauty Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Okay, now on to perfume. Like this was the main reason why I was waiting, why like I invested into the sale. Like this was the main reason. Like all the other stuff I would have just got regular price, but perfume, oh yeah, I would invest in some perfume. So let's start off with this Sephora Favorites perfume sampler. I'm excited to try this because even though they're all samplers, you get to try all of them. I think this was like $28. Yeah, it says $28. And then you get a free travel size for free. So once I try all of these, I can see which one I like and then get one travel size for free. I'm like, yes ma'am. No extra cost, shipping is excluded, which I'll probably just get in store. But I'm excited. And then next I got her Burberry Her. This is in, I believe 1.7 ounce. It's funny because I actually had this in a sampler size. I don't know. Maybe I went shopping at Ulta or Sephora and I got Burberry Her in the sampler size, and I just like randomly tried it. I was like, I like this, and then I started getting a bunch of compliments. I was like, oh yeah, I need her. So finally got her. This was like 2-3 years ago when I tried the sampler, and I was like, I'm gonna get it. I kind of forgot about it, but then when I seen it again, I was like, oh yes, I need it. So I got her. I want to smell her again, even though I know how she smells. And then lastly, I've had this perfume in travel size for like over a year, and I've been waiting on the best time to get it. Oh, and I was like, you know, since I have her in travel size, I'm just gonna wait to get her in the full body. But I was like, it's time. Like, it's time. Like, I need something new in my collection, even though I already have it in travel size. So I got the Valentino Born in Roma. You know, this is a hit. Like, if you're a perfume girl, then you know about this one. This one's a hit. And I was like torn between either getting this one or the intense one. The intense one, I'm not even gonna hold you, it smells good, but it's like, it's very sweet. Like, it's sweeter than this. And I was like, no, let's keep it, you know, not sweet. So I got this. I'm excited. So yeah, that's all of this haul. I've been talking for 11 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and like probably try these like sampler ones and see which one I like. And guess who got earpods again? I had to, because everybody at work got earpods. Okay, update. This one smells really fruity, which explains it, because this is called Peach Fields. Peach Fields. Would I buy it? Maybe. Well, since it's free, yes, but full body, no. Born in Roma. This one's kind of like lighter than the one I have, so will I get this in a travel size? Probably not, but it does smell good. This one smells good. Okay, all these are starting to smell the same, but I feel like I feel like I could smell them, but not as good. My nose is giving out. But this one smells good too. This one's Good Fortune by Victor Roth. Nest. This is a Nest oil. This is by Nest. It's an oil though. That's how it looks. It's decent. I don't think I would get this in the travel or big body. It's real mellow, but even if it was a lot louder, I don't think I would be in love with it. I like her. This is Prada. This is like the new Prada. I like her. Now the last one, this one's replica. Would I get this one? Is different, but it's a hell no for me because it just it's just no. This is the originally on a date. I don't know. Replica got some random sense, but it's a hell no for me. It's between these three: Prada, Skylar, or Victor Thomas Roth. Y'all, I was looking at my box and I forgot to show y'all I got the Tatcha overnight mask. My baby. Oh, thank you. Thank you. So girl had to get some surgery today. She had got, poor baby, but she had to get this bump she had, this like boil she had cut out because we're trying to test it to see what it is. She also got one right here. I feel bad for her. And she has to keep this thing on for 2 weeks until she gets her stitches removed. Poor baby. I'm so sorry. What's up, y'all? So today is Saturday. I have been a bad vlogger, so I'm gonna take you through my Saturday. So first, let's address these lashes. I'm trying to take out these lashes. So I know you see like this like gap right here. Don't mind it. I'm gonna like hit my lash girl probably next week and say I want to take these lashes off because your girl is ready to take a break. But so we went, me and my boo went to a vet. Wasn't much fun, so I'm really not gonna talk about it. And we went to get sushi. He's like on his little like sushi phase. So we got sushi, and I've had sushi maybe like twice before. The first time I had it, didn't like it, but I'm like, I think my taste buds are like growing, because the second time I had it, it was good, and then this is my third time having it, and I like it. Like, it's not something I would get like every week or super frequently, but I wouldn't mind having it like once a month or something. But it's good though. I like it. My favorite roll was Philadelphia roll, but I do like the California roll too. Yeah, I need to do my hair. Like, my priorities were supposed to be today, and it didn't happen. So I'll probably wash my hair tomorrow, like deep condition and do the whole 9, because baby, after I took it out these braids, they just been just like that, just curly. And yeah, I low-key miss my straight hair. Like, I might get my hair straightened in like the next 2 weeks, because I haven't had my hair straightened in like a month. Like, it's been a minute and I miss it. I want to see like if I've taken any grow, stuff like that. But yeah, we rocking the bush right now. Anyways, I'm just about to be chilling, honestly. Watch TV with my mom. Nothing spectacular, so I guess I'll check in with y'all a bit later.